Video title: How to create and sell Notion templates. Beginner guide, script outline, 8 to 10 minute video. Intro to 0 o'clock to 0:45. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple way to start an online business and make passive income, you're going to love today's video. I'll walk you through how to create and sell Notion templates, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have your first product ready to sell online. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is Notion and why templates 0:45 to 2 o'clock? Briefly explain Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, project management, and databases. Why sell Notion templates? Low cost to start, just your time and creativity. Grow in demand. People want pre-made systems. Great for passive income, sell the same template over and over. Part 2. Finding a profitable template idea. 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock research tips. Browse Etsy or Gumroad for Notion templates. Check what's trending. Productivity planners, business dashboards, habit trackers. Pro tip: solve a problem you face. Chances are others have the same need. Part 3. Creating your template live walkthrough. 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Open Notion and screen share. Show step by step. Create a new page. Add a simple dashboard layout, headers, to-do lists, databases. Customize with icons, covers, and colors. Example: let's build a simple content planner template together. Part 4. Export and package your template to 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Share link method. Go to share. Greater than enable share. To web. Greater than copy link. Save a template guide. PDF. Explaining how to duplicate it. Bundle them in a zip file or direct link. Part 5. Selling your template Gumroad setup. 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Go to Gumroad.com. Greater than start a new product. Upload your template and guide. Set a price. Suggest $5, $20 for your first template. Add a simple product description. Promise the benefit. Plan your content in minutes. Outro plus call to action. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. And that's it. You now have a digital product ready to sell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more passive income ideas every week. Also, grab my free Notion template starter kit linked in the description. It'll save you hours. And with a teaser. In the next video, I'll show you how I made my first $500 selling templates online. Stay tuned.